and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Improvement of hospitals in Ribhoi continues at a rapid pace. VPP to write to the Chief Minister on the 12th May. KSU and FKJGP demands the government to attend to border areas. And dbmn hands over useful items to underprivileged families in Malkan Grove. And now the news in detail. On the 8th May, the Health Minister of the state, Dr. Ampreen Lingdaw, went down to Ribhoi district to inspect on hospitals and nursing education centres, which includes the MCH hospital located in Umran, which is under renovation, the Civil Hospital Nongpo, the Trauma Centre located in Civil Hospital Nongpo, the construction of the DMHO office building and the construction of the G&M School of Nursing located in Pahams Aim. Also present during the inspection were Mayoral Bonds Aim, Emily Nongpo, who is also the chairman of the Health Advisory Board of the state, Dr. Celestine Lingdaw, Emily of Umsning Constituency, Arpit Upadhyaya, Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, Dr. P. Khandari, DMHO Ribhoi District, and other officers of Civil Hospital Nongpo. Speaking to the media persons, the Health Minister Ampreen Lingdaw informed that there are still lots of work to be done for MCH Hospital. As for the Trauma Centre, the work is still in progress and it could not be completed within the stipulated time due to COVID-19 when the Trauma Centre building was utilised as treatment centre. She added that the construction of the DMHO office is going at a rapid pace.
The water pumping. So we've taken this entire holistic view that these are a few things that need to be put in place. We're going to do that and we're going to review this matter on the 20th of July and then we will see what are the next things that we need to do. Your trauma center is a very, very vital intervention, especially because it is strategically located on that highway. Very, very essential service will be given to the people of the state of Meghalaya if that becomes operational. We have a few hiccups there. First hiccup is that right now, post-COVID, it was used as a COVID center. Then post-COVID, we have the DMNHO office also there. So we are now constructing a new facility for the DMNHO's office. That is slated to complete sometime in the month of December. We are fast-tracking the physical progress. Right now it's about 55 to 60%. We hope that in another 2 to 3 months, if weather permits and if we have this kind of a weather, we should be able to finish that construction. The moment we relocate the DMNHO office to its own location, we are immediately freed of the 2 floors, which will then assist. Right now, we are already seeing work in full swing on the operation theatres. They will have 2
These issues have been pending, and especially trauma center, which is in the decay. So you as the concerned minister now and this MDA government, how much serious are you in the issue along with the chairman, and to what extent these people of Ribhoi district can wait for this facility?
Please wait for the time period that is required. You cannot force anything to happen extraordinarily because see, you have a trauma center, you need to have the specialists. There is a system to even recruit. So now we have a lot of problems. We need to figure out whether the roster will affect that. So we need to also take that decision. So it is not something that can be done in a short span of time or at a snap of a finger. We apologize for the late start or the delay of these projects. But once they happen, then they will be good centers for services in the healthcare facility system of the state of Meghalaya. We can give you this assurance that I don't know whether previous ministers have come or not, but I am here. Our chairperson of the advisory committee is here, and we can tell you that we are as serious as you can imagine because we would like to see these operational at least before Christmas of this year. I hope that we'll be able to achieve these targets. We will have to look at means and ways for HR filling in of the HR posts and all that, because there are still other things also that need to be taken into consideration. I do not see why that should not happen. So therefore, we are having a 2-month review of this. Every 2 months, we'll keep pushing these two projects and hope that they will happen and see the light of day.
As far as the recruitment, this recruitment, so the government is utilizing the existing or the new one in this recruitment?
We will dovetail both.
Definitely.
We will have the old facility at the civil hospital functioning directly at the MCH hospital, because that is a specialized center for gynae and ops. So this will be good for the district and for the state if we segregate. And facilities in civil hospital will likely only cater to not very complicated normal deliveries, and we'll likely have a very nominal facility for postnatal and also for the neonatal facilities in that hospital.
It won't affect maybe of this present situation
No,
that
no,
the
why?
manpower, no manpower. It won't affect.
No, then we can also therefore dovetail it with NHM and avail services of contractual staff. You have no way out. If you have to wait for a permanent advertisement and recruitment.
Shim hai ini issue nar menshwa. Ya I bak bun senam khantam ka tromar la. Lagi post senam kala long. Ti phi menta kung chairman ti ka jingai ka jong phi bat. Ka expectation yung pina government. Kumju phi ru phi don da po government.
Phi ni nang kong ay penpau yung sungu ya I honorable minister I Dr. Amprin Ejel Bendo. I bala pelai ya kapor ban wan hagani kasi. Kumju ru ya ki official jong ka health department. Ki bala shimkhia ban ya sendan lang hagani kasi. Na ka benta ban pentikna ya ki ya ki jingtri kam no jong ki health institution hapo ka. Riboy district ka bi ki jong. Ka ban kong ka bang alik nem step gede ka MCH hospital hang ti hapo umran parila umsling. Ka baar gede ka trauma center hang ni hanong po. Kabalai kalong nakamta pendep no ay ka office jong di WHO hang ni hapo Riboy district bat ka basaw mentangi don hang ni hapo UGNM nursing school ban pej ban kami nam tangi jing don kam di kini baro south li kini ki health institution ki ba kong san bah ki ba katai ke district baro ka we kum kan ni UGNM nursing school hang ni la sedang la function la dep ban inaugurate kan rim ta ka ba kong san bah ka MCH hospital bat ka ni ka trauma center bat ka office jong dbmnTv kumbai madam ila dem ban pencai ba sisin Meghalaya ban shift ya ka office dbmnTv haka jaka ka office ka batmai ka badon hang ni hanong poi ka bamot ba tu building nyok trauma center baro la long ban penon kam ka space kini ka tai bat ban ta ka jing tre ka chat bat kum u no mi khat.
On the 8th May, VPP informed the media persons that the party will write to the Chief Minister regarding the reservation policy and the halt of the roster system because the government paid no heed despite the ongoing demands on the cause. VPP urges the people who share common goals and interests to join the party on the proposed day to meet with the Chief Minister and address their concerns. VPP mobilized the public, and the support of the public evidently shows that the two issues had really affected the people, especially the young people of the community who lives with a struggle to acquire proper job opportunities. The leaders also urged the people to accompany the party in a peaceful manner so that there will be no use of coercive methods and escalation of problems will be avoided.
Gua speaker ba MP ba ka party menchua kala tho e jing tho chao chief minister bandawa ban pelong ya ka special session jong ka Meghalaya legislative assembly banyatai benetir lor kini kaman ka berkam ya ka ba news ngo magalong ke jing nong ko crowd ki kun samlang jongi haba ni pentri kam ki roster system but bagi review yaga job reservation policy. Negara juga parti gila community pasokar dan lei alur kini. Dagaba shim kia ya ke interest jom ki khon sama Henry ba susi belong ba ka sarkar na gawai ka por kaya penting ya ka jing penduduk kam halor kani ga reservation policy berang long mentan but halor kani ga rules system kapa klem pinkala di negara yang juga parti di bepaw yang jing i bepaw yang jing sukya halor yang jing le jong kani ga sarkar MDA 2 but ni negara juga parti ni nombi ini isu bagi suatu ini isu bahwa kita jaga khun sama juga but haga kadar teri negara juga parti in late ban agi jingho sha ka sarkar but jaga ni kecing aji tho sha sarkar on yalam lagi MLA jogi but jaga dengan delegation and dalam tempat kita iba aden mana Simon belum MLA but President Jong Party celah maka dia ban sange nok mago ya kecing thungkam age jelah lada kam parwanra ya kecing penkela ya job reservation policy but maka lada kam kimi biang ya kan komputer kam ya ka roster system nah kalian juga parti di khot suha yang wer i paiba kibadon kecing sukya ya kan kam makin yawan ka atrik ban ya kersan pada senran lem ya ki amri di jogi apa kile tadi kendu ya ka ya ki mintri ya chief minister sin ha ka atrik ban bu ya ki dawa na hak sarkar but hargai dei berkeni ki paiba ki banwan pan a ge cingkersan jengki ya ki yemali ijugi ki ban ai ya ke jing tho sha sarkar i kerpa red ya ki i wi i badon ge jing tu wan che ne ga cingkersan ban long ki bajai ban long ki bre ki kle but ki bre ki babut renti ya ga ai ban long mi ke ulo ke jing ba pada kalian lo parti ke jogi ingai pakai bandal ke jing renti apale itu lo kam but nimla ban sya ya ka indiscipline but kena kalian juga parti i kuat ru berpentit ba lada don kilo ki berpentit ya ka an ki berpentit jingkul ba akan ke sini ka parti kana don ke jing kle but itu ki ba konra ya ke jingkul ba ken happy berpentit ya ke jing le jogi ba ke jing ya le ke jogi ke le ke jing le nak bentak ba oman peni lu jing salam but kambiru ke jing le percaya lu lu pe tang ban pe ya ban kmi bagi kun sama ke jogi kinom dorong na ka jing pe kam ni ke job reservation policy ba long domenta ba ya ka proses alor kata kali ke sarkar ni sutu panan basdang hi kampon pandikren ni dengan reservation policy but kampon hiru pandikren ya ka roster system ban play ya ka kom jibab jendat jom chief minister ya ki MLA position pada kali lawan ra dai ba adan to sai moi but chief minister ulah ai ke jibab jendat jung ni sutu ya ke jingmut jom government Henry na ka benta ka bhaga ya jom ki khun sama ki ba shakta na ni ka jing betri kami ngurus assistant ingin nam lawan dia ni ta jingom jung sarkar ban ya ban yai dawa na ka bor sha bor ko bang yong ba ka VPP ka te opposition party abo assembly ba sha ba juga assembly ada kalu ada sarkar kali lu kam ki ba la no ba ki kam ki ba bersah ya ka jingha jong ki jong ki nong shong ni ha ban shimir ki jikri ban bersah ya ka jing tiko ngin ya bu de ultimatum ni nya keren swa di ngin spek ke iki ba in le sarkar tamangin will take a pressure because of
Two interest groups from West Khasi Hills District, the Khasi Students Union KSU and the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP, warned the government of Assam to avoid interfering in border areas in Langpi region. The two forces warned the Assam government after they found out few days earlier that the people from Assam continued claiming places in Naupara by fixing a boundary pillar, failing to respect the status quo when the arrangement for the same has not started. While inspecting Naupara, a border area located near Langpi, the two groups also spoke with the residents of the village and neighboring villages, whereby they found out that the cries of the people from Assam at times disturb their day-to-day activities in the fields. The two groups demanded the government to look keenly on the matter and not neglect the demand before the situation gets worse.
Nang ta pada kadon kawi ka jingja ka bang yo sngo haduk ba ka jing ko ajung ki ka de be ka pisah tikini ki kilong ba nakaliang ka jungi ka seng hi ki artli ki seng ki bawan hang ni ngim sngo tenat ya ka ni ka jingle jong sarkar Assam menta ka penuan sa hakawai pada ka jingmut ka jungi kalong ba balai ka sarkar Meghalaya pada ka sengap jar halor jong kini ki ai baro mental bun snem ka ni kam dei syu ka sien ka beningkong hendrai ngatharai kal adai naduk ka por ka ba kilas dang hi bakan muslia ka sarkar Assam ya kani kaput kasam juga bayadai buat ke Meghalaya naduk tu por ngila suyo iba ki langkenya hi ki dei ki khasi bat ki jaj benreu garo ki badan hang ni pok borda bat ka basno si susu kolong ba ya ka status quo ka trikam tang ya ka sarkar Meghalaya kaya burom tang ka sarkar Meghalaya kat ba ka sarkar Assam om jidon status quo nakapor si kapor kaya pen i ya ka bor kaya pen i ni kumban suphaidin khindiat wat ngila du iki mensim ru hakani ka jing ya keni put hendrai ngim juyo i bakan jai ai nakaliang jong ka Assam na nakaliang jong weirang ba bakeren mentan samlarang ba bakeren mentan 8 pau ba ngiru nakaliang jongi ka ut ka pangga mensim habang i gini gi jingja bat lada ka sarkar hi kamla ban yada gini gi bru gi basyong hakaput ni kum ka sengin hab ban yang ban yada ki lakalong da kanu kalentiru ni kloy ban yang ban yada ki balai ka sarkar MDA ka sengap jar man la kapor swaban syong ka regional committee ka bamut ka di ka sarkar Assam be hi ka ban pen ibor ka ban le syuk dang hakini ki sngi kita yo gi baladet ngilai iya ki khubor ban ngi osnguru hadin bangiwan hang ne ka don ka wei ka jing thombor jong wei ukhar Assam ya ka jaka badai jong ka jaka khasi hadin kil aya bet no ka ai kata ka jingmut ban ya bet no baki suwan ki wan da kalenti ka babean ka jingwan thung ka jong ki ya ki pilar hang ne hapo Naupara bat hadron para kini ki arteli ki sinong di bak ki wantung ki pelar kalong ba watang ki rang ba sinong ki khlem kenjo ketien ya ki riurang ba jong ki sinong hang tu kani ka pen iba na kapor ka sarkar Meghalaya jongi kala yo thia omdei shu tang yo khat tang ya ki ai ki baka ka don jing yo nong imat kam don jing yo nong ai na po ka bordar dei na kata ka daw ka sa sengap jar kum ni banjin lada ka dei baka don ka jing mi nang ni ka bakhambun ka sarkar Meghalaya kala phai khmat se kani ka jaka hendrai mangi pade kumangin kum kinong Meghalaya ki jat benreu khasi bat garung nia yang teli ban yang ban yada ya lauput usam nginum sengap ya ka jing sengau jong ka sarkar tang supher ka ai khendiat khsot sarkar na po nakaliang Assam ukloi ban yang ban yada niyo i ka jing ja hamal chapara matadang hakini khendiat banai tang babakla ki breu ki jongi na po mal chapara hadu arfusan ngut ki sa IFIR ki sa thuet hadu ki haban fedri sa khlau kata ka di jing sim khia jong ka sarkar Assam ya ki breu ki jong lejong manginang ni na po Meghalaya ngi sengap jar sya keni ki tiar trei ngi sengap jar sya penthut sya fine ngi sengap jar ngi ladu wa ya ka jing emru hendrei ngi sengap jar ngasngo ban ong kani ka wei ka khubor ya ka sarkar Meghalaya batu kendit benriu nai melen tang hakaban kamai spa nai melen tang hakaban penhe ya ka suki ka jong lejong lane ban peniyar ya ka sarkar ka jong phi phai khmat ru syakini ki than bordar lada pipiyat serum seneng pibu ki security haduk katu ba mlong su tang baniat hajan jong pi kat nutam ya ka bordar ka badi ka security jong ka jelahi borok ka wei kani ka di ka jingdawa dei su tang ka jingkerpat kala dei sendon ka jingdawa nangi ki arseng baka sarkar Meghalaya kan petmat no menta bat kan sim ya ka jingba khli bat lada ka kamla ban sim ya ka jingba khli kumbangila ya keren bat kirang ba hang ne hakani ka jaka hakani ka sngi ngini kloy ban yang ban yada ya ki nakino ki jingwan ki jingja ki basnio
hi boro arteli ka pi ngi yo sngo ban ka jing Bian nakaliang jongka sam lan nikibriu jongka ini kier sya kan nikajak iki baro nimla banlen ya kata ba hang ni kila kum kitrai kim so don ho ban suan te klem da ki jong kitrai jon kam dan nakaliang ngo ba kajing le kajong namar ba kan nikajak ke jongi inle ban keseng banang ni syakmat ru kajing ting lan jala kajong kajaka seng ru ngila dep ya kren ni syakmat ngin trilang hap deng ju lada kidon kam yang ngi ban nakaliang jungi kum kaseng ngi pha kamaseng syai hak ni ha kibru jong ka asam jumlin nakapor syaka thung klumar namar hap deng gajing penbet ban yu ibiang ya kum kenturu ya ka ba kadai ban ka sokar mekha kin kente ban le hak ni karukom namar balong menta nakaliang ki samla banta ban syakri ya jadi pedang gajing kan kidon mengu bitar hab yu i kenal yang jungi kum kaseng thehi hakawi pat kapor ki gajing yale bat kad snam ru lada nakapia kumne ban lat baka sorkar kini atli kisah kate gajing bakli ya ke ba phi pila keren hakman dari hi gojaj ben riwi.
Every once a year, the team of Don Bosco Media Network and the Don Bosco Youth Center visits different villages to aid underprivileged families by distributing items contributed by well-wishers. On the 7th May, the Don Bosco Media Network, along with the Youth United for Christ group, visited Maukanrao, Umtong to distribute old clothes and others. The program started with the briefing of the program by Babu Don Bok, followed by the welcome address by Don Dor, who welcomed Reverend Father Michael Makri and his Don Bosco Media Network team and all who had arrived in Maukanrao, Umtong for the program. The small community prayer group of Maukanrao delivered a welcome song followed by a dance by the young people of Umtong. Reverend Father Michael Makri, addressing the gathering, extended his appreciation to the organizers, friends who had helped the team, and everyone present in the occasion. He shared his words of wisdom, urging the people to do good no matter where we are, for it is the Almighty who created us to do good to one another. At the end, the items were distributed to families in need and were also appreciated for willingly accepting the small gifts offered. The program ended with a praise and worship conducted by the Youth United for Christ group. Present in the occasion includes Reverend Father Michael Makri, Director of Don Bosco Media Network, Brother Barnabas, Manager of Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong, Youth United for Christ group, members and leaders of the small community prayer group Maukanrao, Umtong, men, women, kids and young people.
member of KBB. Nanti pada dia program kerja KBB. Andrei, apa yang punya ini? Jadi I play jadi KBB. Yang jadi shock set joki, yang jadi blog. Jika kali joki kum kawin kebalan, apabila yang lama kasih, I play di notif kam, di member baru coba KBB dah di top 3 kam. Baru kemarin kita mulai mengenal. Kita mulai sebentar. Saya depan dong kerja cuma kami yang ciruan. Di kemudian pun di KBB. Nanti kemudian bok di balai kita. Nanti kita narik ke besar. Yang play lagi, bagilah start internet, start desa internet Andre, start internet. UI bagi semua yang ciruan. UI bagi start internet. Yang play kiri berapa kita. Dan nanti Don, brother Barnabas, karena di poisi ni, kerana kita pernah tahu juga, nama Dewi belum driver, Dewi iru baai kali. Brother Barnabas Dewi neng tadi, nampak kita sudah mayu, brother Barnabas kemarin nak begini kibar, doktor sedang cuci itu ini. Ini brother Barnabas, ini manager job dengan Bosco Technical School Shillong. Ila yarap ini na polis kapor, katanya yang paling aktif berjur pakai. Ilong iba simple bahape hindi ko prebili berdak hindi kasi trace job namar ki berdak kimlong sadari kalau kadang marion lo kadang kaya lawan masih itu kapan di berdak ada dalam berdak kemudian dapat tahu hindi nama ipa trace job ki berdak sisa trace job ni patah dengan suki amal salah dia banyak dia ki berdak ki trace job tinggi semua komen tu kata bagi berdat si jumir kira pun benda kiba trace dong na benda installation kata na benda jihari kena semula di berdat na MP mau MP kaji trace dong jumir dulu bagi kuat penong driver kata ni kaban sim kaba bi na di berdat dengan ini kena semula kena sedang baik ni kita long berdat ni train na benda ka imlan kasalah tinggal tu ni kini ruai jong kayu center. Nak kampa kini jungi nama topan tak sini belang tuan ruai kayu center. Kini pun ki kena jungi ki sama jungi na kayu center. Kini ki bread bro ki ruai tahun dan pas lagi bagi mi hendewan laktaru kila pau bah kila lagi ruai sepuluh bah jaga. Tengok ini berbuat kenang saya kena kesini nama ibu dan pulau buka masak di naga tahu buka aksiden naga tahu kena kata itu ikan pelak pulau yang kemas lepet apa impor ini awak yang kinuan rumai kinuan nyelap bekerja di trip saya ini time saya ini kita jogi yang saya perbaiki apa impor apa pipi yang lain impor begitu citre impor begini kelas macam ini si lain di pulau pun kecilnya saya lah di pulau pun bekerja di trip ibu dan bok yang saya biar mana kita berikan biar berbulan bok perlu buat baru aiban. De klepet saya ini biar ini saya semua biar yang kecil wine ini kecil chat ini sedikit saya chat pada dengan program soal kecil kita ini bershat boy up kecil wine dan baik. Kenapa akan kecil doi ini baru tinggal play dia awal kini di Don Bosco Media Team juni Jisha di Don Bosco Media Team kebapak kredit ini baru kemudian sing keberangkap sing paar sing balai kemilai dengan kamu atau sedang bisa lek segi senang paper dia bagi kau perlu pelang yang ini jai naki brio tiba wanra jingai jumpi awal ila sing jingai dia tiba mai jadi tiba mai trade kini tiba na kinong trade na trade namari lo kunci sistem apa pada posko media teman-teman berbagi trade bagi tiba belum pelang yang dijan tiba asniu dijan tiba ni bicu bernai ila bread dan trade tiba kampak bah ila ya trade rosisni bagi belum pelang yang dijan ila ya song tinggi air play di kiru ti lebih dia air play ya di father ramba jom kena baris daripada sedro buat lagi dah ni nama bagi timbalo ilek terku yang ini mana macam bagilah air ni yang ini galan dan boleh saya kena baris dengan buai paling play tu yang ini. Nampak lagi play pertama yang itu diberi baru tiba air di Jogja. Don tu kena jalan dengan macam don tu kena jalan tiba lari dari di dalam dari Day which good person joki ni nak use sudah ni jadi day which good person joki kita nak salah ni kita kapten Isa Ryan di principal juga kita corner maniru lah belum sipun bagi jan joki nak school joki bagi kelas bermakam lalu sipun bahawa kelas ni nanti profesor kok kita arlayu Profesor American bagi kaya po BN College atau PGT College mengiru ila fresh top sipun bah.
Tuloy, bangpat yo, one close ni, way sige. Bangpat yo, one close, way sige. One close.
With the advent of technology, the 21st century is considered as the digital era, hence almost every activity is dependent on electricity. The entire state of Meghalaya is suffering due to the frequent power outage in the state. It has been almost a month and a half that the load shedding had started in the state. Don Bosco Media Network interacted with a few general public practicing different occupations and the leaders of different localities and regions. It is evident from their response that the load shedding is taking a toll on them and their daily work. The government are overloaded with demands and complaints. Some of the complaints includes the increase of electricity bill despite the frequent power outage. Therefore, the public requests the government to gaze into the sufferings of the people and do what is necessary to liberate the people of inconveniences at the earliest.
Pi dang haga meeting ke ba dang sudap jong ka snong ru ngila ekran ni kini ki issue ko be dai bat kini ki hamtam ke dai ba kini ka load shedding ken nama ke ji ki bon ki jing sni ki mi akan kini ka por kumban si ongi pi pi su tho hi ka timing pelip laj tam mesngi kam lelei hendai men met ka to ka jing pelip laj san kental kenti adu khat ar adu san beje mestep ka to ka jing pelip laj ka to ka wakta ba namar ba kaya kayeng ru komnong sok basngan ki nong sok snong ki phone ngi jan man ka si habe de bat kani ki issue namar ble nengkong e gade ki jing satu. This is a free for all like kum lalong kum chong no khadar do san ale wan tu no namar la dom la mien we isu ban ya ka to buje so komot kini ki nong tu ki sim ye kabu ye kani ka timing pelip line hoi ngi su thu ba don ka problem ka crisis ka don ka problem ba state government kam la ban biang ya ta boarding ka ba don kam hakum kini ki por ni asngo ka jing batai jong power minister hang tu po recently henry lara ka MSCB ka la ban ka MECL ka la ban regulate na ya ka timing khandiat kan at least mne shu ban ai at a stretch kan namar ka long ka jing si si sha naman kumo oi phi mne khat ar do sante lara I break no si kenta breng at least kuno un habanya kan kam isngan gen la daga me ka laj mo ndai la daga me ka laj kum to pila I that is the problem ka bangi ngi sem man kas ngi yo ya kini ka ya kini ki problem ki bere bat ka jing satu satim ka along ka bajur si papalat ado ta pi bapli kalong kumne ki badan ba em kamut ka yeng jo ki kalong secure ki kenro ki bajrong te kamut mamant ki breu ngi kerpa di ki ka message ka bangi an ka leng ka jongi kalong ba sobha ka pinha ban yelong alert hakum kini ki por ka baar lada ki gate jong pi kilong ban khang tala adis kalong ka deterrent ru ha jo por lada pila taman khang tala an ka balai lada ka don ki neighborhood ki bangi la ai ka suggestion bakin bo no da ki kinja kin form ki group bakin le patrolling no man met amar ki pp bon ki kali bagi set up harut surok ti lada ki le no kintu ki kinja patrolling kamtu da kamut ka kalong singan gen namar tang kita hi ki mangila ban suggest ki nang ta ki ba dot ba em kila ban install CCTV namar menta CCTV kem de shu kum menchwa menta ti kila kham tat ki dor mo ki ba fila ban view lomba kitab lomba ki mobile ki jong phi ki lomba ki application ki apps ki badan hang to ting kita idi ki jingker pat ki jongi ba ngin kin haban long husiar hab long alert kham tam ha kum kini ki pot ba la da phi yo jingtip nom no lada ki mar benta kim de shu ginong to ki bawan kham tiar ki wanda ka tiar ru sun dei ban yele sidur pentip bet yangi ki batre kam shnong ka phone ngimju bu silent chu menta ti nginde yo kinuduk information pentip shangi an pentip shi ki police station ngila ya kren ngila ya kendo bot ki police ru ban ngila ada ong ki ba ki patrolling ki benya ki khna samla jang shnong ki ya patrolling ti nakaliang jong dor bar snong ru ngila da yarai ngila da bepen be bakin don ki kinja patrolling bangin le routine patrolling ru tambalong hakitu ki por janmien ari ki por thia te pila so thui imla ban le kata tang ba Shillong alert no kumala patai mene ya
kisam ka den chi area no ba ka dan krai kam tang ko me ro ka de granti ya kam tang de kin so snong ni ba de cha ran cha de chen ma ta dan chi area ma sai ban long ban pet ki long ban pet nya
recently ngilang ko mo ipi ngila ekran bat ka apa meeting hi ki kena samla kila sim kya gane nakalang ka Shillong lo ngi sim kya gane te recently ko mo choi pi ngilang kila don ki kinja haki point kama apa dan kiti kama apa police point kila don ki area tu ki ba ki pulit ki yang kham slam te ka tur ko de ka we ni ki lat ka ba le se ka ba ka ban pen perkhat arsin ni ki bre la ki kwa ban wan ban le no ke pam de ban le dan dai number ba ka de ka long no ka thara point ka thara fair man chong no ka lam khra mo na baro kiliang pinapit na do nang thina na po ka le ka dor na dong dem sinyong ru ka long ka thara fair ban ya chatai se po no mon song ka tur ka de ka surok balong busy ba ban meet ba step kaning nang ni na pedeng lam khra bano nang ni na po nang ni na Coraline ka ban istai se po Nongrim Hill Serinja ru ka turu ka balong busy surok nang ta ka main road jang ka lam khra na do dom dan kiti dom bosko hadu bidha hadu fire brigade ka turu ka surok ka balong busy ba khar si busy ru ki kali rang bon ki bayan te ban regulate ka tur ka ba fi kini tang ngi kerpa di kita yeng ngila dep kerpa di kita dukan ngila kerpa di kita yeng ru ba yang mentahi to be on the safe side kalau bala install ke CCTV te lembaga smart city project ru ngila ya keren hi bagi haki main area hi belong public area si bangi install CCTV ka city se kador basnong ru kala poi bangin identify ki jaka bangin install CCTV cameras te hopefully kin nakaliang joka smart city ru kila banai kini kadai kata te kadai jing sisa kalau magic mo nomor ba let's say hak por bom boleh load shedding prakanta mo fi umitar pat let's say uya chalak mon so no ya kata ki laut ba ki ba nomor ba khamta mi gini ki electronic digital meter sebumi menta mo te kamut ka bill ka keu ba nei kum ti static meters ki badon menchwa mo ti khamtam ki yeng ki ba kham duna jingyo jingkot namar ba ki pinli sawai kam dei su menta wi mitar mendei su menchwa wi mitar menta ki tra yeng ki alau jong mitar ta kamut lada phimla ban siu shot to lan ki bon ki kes baja khamta ti habai dei bat keni ngi kala don kejingnya lang sisien ke bang ngila ya keren ni sepang kani te hendai nakaliang joka department ti kidon nak jong jubab bakin ai te lese kani kandai ko ni issue bakin haban ya bot den yang sai sisien ngatai so tunat ba pipen kan mau ya kani at least ngini ban ya bot den sai sisien ni kani
boarding to pilai sau sang kentama handai ke belai pat kalong kakiu
nan kan ni di syamo ngisu thu bagi jip boarding kalau masuk ke soka kamun lai na bagi soka ka thit light na ba karam hi ka pressure ka putjung sarkar bagi soka ka khinga di chi pa no civil ti ngisu thu sa bagi civil ka de ban civil karam no sarkar jo electricity company ko punya ini ti kipai ba kinwan ban complain ya ta ka de right jo consumer ni siu ka pinor kam hindi beli consumer jenis berita ikut lang ya tak jingkit bijang sarkar karena kalau sarkar kahapan baik lah manpin im ya kan ika electricity company begidon kami sell di kahapan kanion itam ni berkap lebih kanion itam sarkar lagi baik bah nengitip pada bah ke sarkar kada kita ni companies kiba penon kami lagi bijang sarkar ngamtip ke subsidi rate ko kumuli ai itu gila ni sya banbei ini kamdei bela bakani ka GA ke masukar ke kedua power company yang put dah ke pak ini kan jing sisa ngitip kalau sarkar ka kam pek perman ha How ini baka jing di lai ci commercial factories. Natrai kan haban perkat kunu banyele ban balance niat ban num pressure ai peba. Sabai peba kiwan kisi lu bergidan kau kan kuli. Coba hato. Kajudon nang go complete pada nakalian ji company sih kata. Bagi mi online. Ni coba ni kan ni. Tiga soka kan tiga soka pada peba. Soka kamu bukan pet yaki profit making company. Kamu harus soka. Nama kita peba orang ni yo galai. Kita tiat galai. Bagi dah seal galai. But kamu kebadai bagi seal galai ada kelantan kami kah. Kalau kita face problem boros si moment like in lain dah. Kita harus seal dia bil. Ni sekarang bang kuat makan. Ni peba. Bang ada yang pouring ni win perkhatan. Iko alternative energy. Kamu ni solar energy. Lagi ni kita. Iba government kan hapan. Penbiang ngok man kitriwi. Haba PE situation kalau kami ni apa berdiri power. Menumput jik apply peba. Haki power kami man sen kami March April May June kita peba in phase lu sharing baik. Tengah saya alternative energy ni kiwei bagi lat pen highlight. Bon hoi solar energy kita mana kita layak kelen. Ni hato kita peba lat pen biang bagi connection here. Tengah boleh government kam subsidize no. Ini kam anak kerja scheme kibedai kumita kibani harap pendapat yang pada ba unum dah komplain le lagi poi pol ba kadulai kemudian solar panel menta bahe ya la penbiang charge phone ban perlu kami ga computer ye tinggal government kedi apa kam la ban sutu ba kadul jing e kedi persiang ban substitute non nyat lagi ni kibi alternative energy kiba menta ya Jepang bagi balong ru kiba bahar nama tak kamaria kita ada jing keren juga yupai ba bun diman naga government ba pi government rupan perkat ma apa ini ni
mau balik kalai inda syong odok karu ni jinjat mabalai dah klem kalai tentang ini baklain tu tila jongdu dah kejingdan jong kalai kejingdir ni lah bande minta dandan kalai Beri dapat tu ya dok khabar bahang beri dok khabar sih. Kau je man kasih dia belajar kau begini man keluar dok penting itu ni man keluar tu.
Kemud lembaga jilai kelak penduduk nong sibon ni pi.
Ani jincari kan balik kelak tu. Ni ihre kamar mata kibri ru biji itu apa nama nanti ru nama balai bantan lagi tu. Jika kinuan kim kawan sudah nama balai kim ihre dok khabar bahang dok khabar sih ni.
Te beri buat kar komsio ke belai ai kemno pot kang.
Kejui kalau tinju ni.
Kai komjo. Te kemud kelawan rak sibon penduduk nong pi. Te pi kai gaji kentu jo pi ka sarkar pot. Ba
kan kami kan kami ni bangi jing dia kami ni kadi kawan jinjal hada klem lan uni bangi saat kami tang dan kapatang sipang alip no so kalau hapo mi long hapo kami lai kadum nimyo imat bahar ya tentang biak pisar ni bakalano dan lat re tentang mi ira bahar ka bajat pisar kishin tentang ban biak kibiru ni baklana nama beli bandan kalat dum kalat.
On 7 May 2023, the All Meghalaya Bodo Welfare Association organised and Bisago Bidai, a cultural program at Namghar near Dhankati, Shillong, where E.M. Ranjit Basumatri, the Minister of Forest Department, Kokrachar, addressed the gathering as a chief guest. Present in the gathering includes a multitude of Bodo people residing in Shillong. The cultural show showcased the different dances which depicts the diversity of culture of the state.
फैदों आरो बिथांमोना फैनायखाय रोजा रोजा साबायखर जासिनाय आंनिफ्राय थाबाय। जों दिनै सानसेनि रंजालि बैसागु खुंनायनि माखासे थांखिफोरा जाबाय जों गावनि हारिखौ माबायदि खौसे खालामनो हागोन, गावनि हारिफोरखौ माबायदि सासेनिफ्राय सासे ज' खालामनो हागोन आरो सासेनिफ्राय सासेजों जोंनि अनलायनाय जोंनि दुखु दाहाखौ रानलायलायनो हागोन, बे गासैबो थांखिफोरखौ लानानै जोङो दिनै सानसेनि हाबाफारिखौ खुंदों आरो बेखौ खुंनायावहाय जोंहा दिनैहाय बिटिआरनिफ्राय जोंनि सारमोना फैनानै जोंखौ जे हेफाजाब होफैदों, बे हेफाजाबा फैनानैल' नङा, बिथांमोना जोंखौ बे रंजालि बैसागो खुंनायावहाय जोंनोहाय गोबां रां रुफा नांगौ, गोबां जिरादफोर नांगौ, बेफोरखौ जोंनोहाय मदद होदों। रां रुफानिफ्राय लानानै गोबां मदद होदों। बिथांमोननि मददखौ मोननानैसो दिनैनि जे सानसेनि रंजालि बैसागु हाबाफारिखौ जों खुंफुंनो हादों।
आच्छा, बे दिनैनि बे हाबाफारियावहाय आलासि हिसाबै नोंथांमोननि गेजेराव सोर सोर नुजाफैदों?
जों दिनैहाय रंजालि बैसागुआव जोंनि गाहाय आलासि हिसाबैब्ला जोंनि बिटिआरनि रन्जित बसुमतारी, बिथां हाग्रा बिफाननि बिथाङा नुजाफैनो हादों आरो जोंहा सेन्ट्रेल रिजार्भ फर्सनि सासे सिअ साब नुजाफैनो हादों आरो गोबां जोंहा फरायसा आफादनिफ्राय जोंहा प्रेसिडेन्ट सेक्रेटारि मावथि सोद्रोमाफोर दङ आरो जोंनि शिलं बर' गौथुमनिफ्राय गोबां मावथि लोगोफोर दङ। जों बयबो बेबायदिनो ज' खौसे नुजाफैनो हानायखाय जों बे दिनैनि हाबाफारिखौ जों खुंफुंनो हादों।
आच्छा, नोंथांसिम गुवारै फोरमायना होनायनि थाखाय गोजोननाय थाबाय। अब्ला जोङो बिथांनिफ्रायबो जायनाखि नैबे खुंफुं आफादनि दिदोम गाहाय नेहाथारि, बिथांनिफ्राय जोङो बे समावहाय माखासे बाथ्राखौ मिथिनानै मोनबाय आरो बे समाव जोङो गुबुन सासेनिफ्राय मिथिनानै लाबावगोन।
The ongoing Phase 2 sports talent identification resumed on the 8th May at Demdemas in RD Block, West Garo Hills District at St. Francis School, Mongre Village after over 2 weeks break due to the heat wave. The 8 schools that participated in the Star Talent Identification Program on 8 May 2023 are St. Francis School, Shyamnagar Government LP School, Kalapani Secondary School, Shyamnagar Government UP School, JN High Secondary School, Gimigre New Model Government School, Gimigre Deficit Secondary School, Chambakpara Government LP School, Demdemas in RD Block, West Garo Hills District, and a total of 225 athletes were tested with Australian technology. John F. Kharshing, Working President, Meghalaya State Olympic Association (MSOA), informed that a number of athletes with outstanding performances have been identified by the MSOA team with the help of international technology and knowledge transfer.
If you win gold medal in the state level, you will win 15,000 cash. If you win gold medal state level, you will get 15,000 cash. If you win silver medal for Japan, if you win bronze is silver medal at the state level. If you win gold medal at the regional or northeast level.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.